The Adventures of Starsky and Hutch, Episode 5. So this is my buddy Hutch, and it's good to see him eating because I never really see him on camera eating that much. I wasn't sure if he had a small appetite or if he was still stressed from his new surroundings, but he loves to peek out the front door. And this cat door in the corner, I installed that just a couple days ago, and they have yet to use it, but they love to look outside. So it's good to see that they're not running away, but I would really like for them to start using that cat door, and especially in the evenings, to get out and chase down the mice. This is my buddy Starsky. It is 7:19 in the evening. He's grabbing a little dinner. He's typically the hungry one out of the two. Tends to eat a little bit more food. And here is Starsky at 3:46 in the morning. I think Hutch is sleeping in that little cat bed right there. He made a noise and Starsky went over to check it out. And then he peeks out the cat door but doesn't actually use it. So it'll be interesting to see how long it takes before they actually start using the cat door and exploring my property a bit. I've got a couple of photos for you here to see what their situation is. They stay inside of this little shed right here. They really seem to love it. I keep the door open during the day, and all they do is just peek out. And then this is the cat door, and hopefully they'll start using it soon. Anyway, that's all I've got for you. We'll see you in the next episode. Have a good weekend.